Question number 6. Look at Marvin's first attempt to raise financing. Refer to the section 14.1 and the Marvin Prospectus in the appendix at the end of this chapter. So we know from the chapter that in the first attempt, Marvin tries to raise $1 million by issuing 1 million shares. So let's look into these questions. What are the new information available here? Suppose that first Merriam decides that Marvin's shares are worth only 0.8 each. So share price is 0.80 dollars. So in the first attempt, the share price was $1 because we raised $1 million by issuing 1 million shares. Now the Merriam thinks that Marvin shares is worth $0.80 or 80 cents. So the first requirement is how many shares will Marvin need to sell to raise the additional 1 million. So to calculate the number of shares, uh, from this information we know that they of course need more than 1 million shares because they want to raise a $1 million and the one share is worth less than $1. Therefore we need more than uh, 1 million shares. So how many more? We can calculate it through a formula. So number of shares is equal to the required investment, required capital divided by share price. So we need 1 million and the share is worth only 0.8. So by calculating it, we will get 1.25 million shares. Okay, so that's the first part. Second part, what fraction of the firm Merriam Managers owns after the investment? Okay, so we have the first round in which we have number of shares which is 1 million, and then we have this second round in which we have number of shares or 1.25. The total number of shares are 2.25. So calculate their shares, we have to divide it 1 with 2.25 and 1.25 with 2.25. So by calculating this, we will get around 55.56% shares, and this will be roughly around 44.44%.